Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the objective awareness, traffic, or leads because everything that follows depends on that metric. Gather assets now: logo, 9, 16, and 16, 9 cuts, captions, and a 15-30-second script. Once done, craft the hook in the first 3 seconds. Explain why the viewer should care. Make sure to state the CTA clearly and where it points. You'll save iterations if you organize file names and frame guides before you build the first cut. You assemble the edit with a focused tempo, tight intro, single idea per 15-30-second cut, and a rhythmic pace that keeps attention. Then add captions, 3 5-second text overlays, and a product close-up around the midpoint to re-engage scrollers. Once the master is ready, export H. 264 with a high bitrate and create 2 aspect variants for placements. Make sure to also craft 3 thumbnails. Test one with strong contrast, one with human face, and one with product shot. You now set the campaign. Create a /B tests for creative and audience, choose placements, and allocate budgets to learn fast. Monitor CTR, CPM, and 3-second video view rates at 24 and 72 hours. Pause losing variants and scale winners. If performance stalls, troubleshoot by swapping the hook, testing stronger captions, or auditing the landing page speed. Aim for load under 3 seconds. Finally, iterate weekly. Refresh creative, rotate audiences, and keep learning from the highest converting combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.